Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to disable notification sound on your Windows 11. So for this guys, first you need to open your Windows settings. In the Windows settings, go to system. In the system, in the right panel you can get the option notifications. Just click and open it. Okay, in the notifications guys, just extend the notification option from here like this, and here you can get the option allow notification to play sounds. If you want to disable the notification sound, just you need to uncheck this box. That's it. If you want to enable it, just you need to check this box. Okay, so from here guys, you can easily able to disable the notification sounds on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.